What's up, YouTube? Back here at Rusty Ride's garage doing a quick little update video. Sorry I haven't been recording, been very hectic couple of weeks. Went ahead, got the pulleys done, got the fan mounted. Went ahead, got the bracket fully tightened up. We got the acorn nut put on, alternator all tightened up. Went ahead, got that valve cover all finished up with spark plug bracket. Went ahead and got that valve cover all done, spark plug bracket. Got the fuel line you saw in the last video all done up. Carburetor's done up. Got most of the wiring done. We got the distributor back there with the Excel points eliminator kit. Over here we got the coil, got it all wired up. Right there we got the oil pressure wired up. And right below my finger, we got the temp wired up. I like to take a scintillated mesh, cut an old spark plug boot, and voila. Make my own little covers. So there you go. Quick little update on the engine. Try and get her all built. Ready for a first test fire. Got most of our wires leading down here to starter done. We still got to zip tie them, heat tape them. Got another brand new body ground straps that we got to finish connecting both sides of the body. Come over here, interior update. Got both bucket seats put in. Got that bucket seat put in. This bucket seat put in. Got the shifter put in. You gotta do some fine tuning with it. Got the two little riv nuts put in for the gas pedal. It's right here. I'm going to go with the low car gas pedal. Wire driven. Well, that's about the updates. Got the wiring almost complete. Say a couple more days, we'll be ready to fire it up. So, got almost everything done on the dash. Got the steering wheel secure, fully mounted. That's about it. That's a quick little update. Seat here. Well, sorry for the lack of recording. Didn't know how much you guys wanted to see wiring and fuel line, that kind of little stuff. If you'd like to see that kind of stuff, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Other than that, quick little update. Y'all have a good night. Keep restoring and keep those hot rods rolling.